Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I'm going to talk about why I just added another 150,000 US dollars on my Bitcoin long position. So if you want to be finding out about why I added more to my long position, make sure that you're going to stick till the end of the video. And of course, with that out of the way, guys, don't forget to smash up that like button because it will be definitely help me out massively. With that out of the way, let's start and discuss the Bitcoin price analysis. So Bitcoin currently, what are we seeing right now on the market? So what you can see right now is that Bitcoin is forming this downward sloping resistance line, like you can clearly see over here, together with this downward sloping support line. And of course, since these candles, since these trend lines will be reaching an apex anytime soon here, we could be calling this, of course, a falling wedge, because downward sloping resistance, downward sloping support, they are going to meet each other at an apex. This is, of course, a falling wedge. What do we know, real quickly, before getting into the reasons why, of course, what do we know about a falling wedge? A falling wedge is a typical bullish bias pattern, and of course the price target of a falling wedge will be always the top side of the wedge. What is going to be, in terms of the breakout, going to be an approximately 3% trade that you could be taking over here. That is, for me, looking very solid. So another reason why I'm right now very excited about the market here is, before I'm going to go further in towards my 1 hour kind of predictions, of course, is of course the CME close, guys. So Bitcoin has closed its CME on the 62.7k here, and I do think that the chances are relatively high that we're, of course, if we're going to create a gap, so if we're going to close the Sunday candle as well and open the CME below the gap, we're going to see a Monday pump, but the chances are as well relatively high that the Sunday is already going to be pushing up back towards this level. So I'm right now getting pretty excited, and as well, this target on the top side is the exact target, of course, of the falling wedge. So 1 plus 1 is 2, of course. It's going to be a very relatively easy trade to catch, in my opinion, and that is as well a reason why I just added another 150,000 US dollars to my long position. So don't forget to, of course, already sign up here with BYBIT in the link description to not miss out on these easy trades we're taking here, because it's definitely very valuable. And I'm right now already up with, of course, approximately 90,000 US dollars. Already took some profits out. We'll be taking some profits anytime soon here. As soon as we're going to reach the top side over here, I will be taking more profits out of my trade. But right now, I am not planning to close my long position yet, since I do still anticipate this minor leg towards the upside before then potentially cooling up, of course, because this is looking very strong. Then as well, if we're right away going a little bit further in towards the chart, you can see Bitcoin is creating this upward sloping support line. You can see over here, it got supported over here, got supported over there, so we're forming higher low, higher low, higher low. This looks very, very solid in my opinion. You can see clearly we have not touched it yet here, but the chances are relatively high if, as soon as we're going to touch this level, because it is a valid support line, like you can see, we are going to see some massive bounces getting created from here on. And of course, together with the hidden bullish divergence that we're still creating, of course, higher low in the chart, lower low in the price action, we could be still looking, of course, for potential higher surges in the market right now. So this is, of course, looking particularly good here as well. As you already know, probably, if you're setting up a Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, you can see that Bitcoin for now on as well is still providing support by the 0.236 here on the Fibonacci. And of course, if we're already going to fail to hold on towards the support on over here, lower side of support as well, I will be looking forward towards, of course, accumulate more Bitcoins on the 59.2k. But that's, of course, in the worst case scenario. And I don't think that it is really likely to see Bitcoin going back towards the level on Sunday. And of course, if Bitcoin goes down towards that level, of course, we know that the CME gap will be only bigger. So the chances are even more likely that Monday we're going to see a massive pump here. So of course, the lower we're going to go here in the weekend, the more I will be adding, and the more leverage and more quantity I will be adding towards my trade. So that's basically my strategy for now on. I am in long positions. I don't think it's a bad time to enter long positions at all here. And also quickly going to say, guys, I am going to start a private group here, like you can see on Twitter. I will be starting a private group here on Telegram, but for only the ones that, of course, are signed up through my link here on BYBIT. So if you're already signed up here, I will be opening the application form anytime soon here. And still, I think I will begin with like 100 people, and you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to be paying in this group. You only have to be my affiliate through my affiliate link. So if you want to be joining my private group here, don't forget to sign up here with the highest link in the description to, of course, get, first of all, these very good bonus rewards, and second of all, to be able to join my Telegram group, where I will be giving private signals. And of course, this group will be coming out like the coming week. So make sure to keep your eyes on the channel, on the Twitter page as well, because we are going to be, of course, make some very significant gains altogether. And I will be do like maybe 1 or 2 trades a week here, and I will show every single trade and every single step we're going to take to make you guys as well better traders, because I want to learn you guys some stuff about trading, of course. So as well, if you haven't already joined this BYBIT competition, make sure to do so, because As you can see here, we are right now running a competition here with more than 38 people already. And if you're joining this competition, you could be as well, make some very significant gains while you're already trading. And like you can see right now, since the competition started, I'm 3.3% down on my Bitcoin. But of course, this position is already open for, yeah, like several weeks right now. And I'm up more than 250%. So yeah, it's a very, very strong position that we're right now in. But this one will be flipping in positive anytime soon here. So make sure to join this competition because I dare you guys to trade against me. And of course, right now I'm P27, but of course I will show you guys, I will be trying to go to #1. So if you think you can beat me in this challenge, make sure to join this competition to show yourself that you can beat me here clearly on this competition. And as well, guys, other important, very, very important thing that we would be looking at right now and should be looking at right now is Bitcoin in the 4-hourly candles. So Bitcoin 4-hourly candles, we have been forming just like we were doing in the 1-hourly candles, very strong upper sloping support line. So in 11 minutes, we're going to close this 4-hourly candle close, and it's going to be a relatively important one. So I definitely want to be seeing this level getting hold in. I do think the chances are relatively high that we're going to see a bounce from off this level. And if we're going to see so, this will be really helping us to push up the prices once again here as well. We could be maybe aiming for some kind of a supportive line towards the upside from here on. So you can see previous resistance, breakthrough, support getting found. So it looks particularly good right now for Bitcoin. I do think that the chances are relatively high that we're going to bounce. All these things are coming together on, of course, the lower time frames, on the 1-hourly time frame, on the 4-hourly time frame, of course, as well with the gap that we're right now going to create. So I definitely don't think it's a good time. I definitely don't think it's a bad time to be bullish right now. And of course, I will be keeping you guys further up to date here on my Twitter page. So guys, if you did like this video, don't forget to smash up the like button. Of course, I try to be as straight to the point as possible to give you guys the most amount of information in the most shortest period of time. So if you appreciate this content, don't forget to smash up the like button, guys. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.